Welcome to Micro Learning with MB, 1 minute mini lessons. So here we go. Have you ever seen a PowerPoint slide that looks like this? And been like, oh my God, what are they thinking? I'm so distracted, this is so ugly, what the? Okay, so maybe you didn't throw that much shade, but you were definitely very distracted and your learning experience was super derailed. Let's dive into 3 PowerPoint, or Google Slide rules to live by. 1, if you're using text, remember the 5 by 5 by 5 rule. 5 cubed rule. 5 bullets with 5 words or less and no more than 5 heavy text slides in a row. It's boring, so don't do it. Your slide should look something like this. 2, please, please, please do not make slides that look like this. White space is okay. It helps draw the eye to the most important information that you're trying to convey. That is the point of learning, right? And the whole point of teaching, to get your point across. Highlight your key takeaways like this. And 3, use pictures to help tell your story to make your point. Your learner will use that imagery to make connections in their brain to remember what you're saying versus what they're reading. Remember rule number 1? If you like this Micro Learning with MB, don't forget to hit subscribe. I release micro learnings every Monday. Look forward to seeing you.